Hi, now I am going to tell you about how to use these additional features of this software. So hope you know all the other features of this software. So send campaigns, auto reply, received messages, group grabber, number filter, all the other feature which is already existing in your old software. Now in order to move on to the new features, let's start with catalogs and buttons. Now I'm going to tell you about how to use the buttons. For buttons, before that let me import some contacts. So now if I imported some contacts, now I'm just typing the message which is test message and then buttons. For buttons I have to select the buttons and create buttons. In creating you have three different options: reply, URL and phone. So if you are sending something like interested, not interested, you can select the reply. For URL, website, Facebook, you can select URL, and for call you can use phone. Now first option I'm just including interested, then a URL which is our website URL. Next is a call button. So I can include one phone number. Yeah, that's it. So when I'm sending the message, just I have to select the check button and then I have to send it. That's it. If you want to include any photos, audio, video, PDF, you can include as well. Select blind mode and then OK. Yeah, the campaign have been done. Now when you open the WhatsApp, you can see a test message along with three different buttons: interested, website and call. So when you click on website, it will redirect to your website. When you click on call, it will redirect to your phone number. Next is catalog. In order to create a catalog, you have to select the catalog, create catalog and then title. Title as like We Think Solution, our company name, and a subtitle as our products. Then catalog description as here are our details, products. Then you have to select add category and add your item. So first item I am including bulk SMS and some kind of description, whatever you like to describe about your product, you can include over here. Then again add category, add item, you can include another item, bulk WhatsApp, and in the item description you can include your description about your product. That's it. Then OK. Then OK. Select the catalog and send it again. That's it. Select blind mode. OK. So now messages will be sent with the catalog. So you can see the WhatsApp. See a test message with the catalog of your products. So bulk SMS, bulk WhatsApp. So customer will select whatever product they are interested with and you will get the description. So this is about our new features. So hope you have understood. If you have any doubts or queries, you can contact us. Thank you.